Hello viewers, welcome to Zeegoals. Today my second topic is tour of MS Excel. Means MS Excel workspace overview. First of all, in the upper side, this bar is called the title bar with three options. In the right side, it's called control box. From here we can control our program. In the left side we have quick access toolbar. There we have different options. This is called the menu bar. We have different menus here. This is called the ribbon. In the ribbon we have different groups. This box is called the name box, and this is the formula bar. This area is called the workbook window. This is vertical scroll and this is horizontal scroll. It's called the status bar, and this is called the alpha columns, and this is called the numeric rows. So it was today's topic. If you wanna learn, so keep watching my videos. Thank you.